Kahit si Moon, ganun. 8-0 run by Korea. Philippines in quicksand as of the moment, trying to get out of this quagmire they're in. Philippines trying to work the perimeter. Open shot. That will not go. And a chance for Korea to come in even closer.
Importante, transition defense. Nasaan tayo? Ayan si
Open
Moon.
shot, Moon!
And that's the first shot. And more to come pag hindi tayo nag-ingat. And what a time for him to, parang dramatic eh, parang in-scriptan niya yun, no?
And all of a sudden, Korea with its first conversion from the three-point area. Philippines trying to move the ball around with 9 seconds on the shot clock.
Tagal masyado ng bola sa kamay ni Kenneth. Ang tagal masyado ng bola sa kamay ni Kenneth.
Couldn't find anybody open. Korea
Ayan naman
to the
ang
line,
pagiging.
yes! And that'll count with Kim Joo-song.
Kita mo nang diniinan ng mga Koreano kung ano nangyari.
Oh. And the Philippines needs to talk things over, losing as much as a 10-point lead. Look at the pinpoint passing of the Koreans, and I love it when Kim Joo-song flies to the air. The big man now scored for a foul there, but the basket will indeed count. So much to talk about in this huddle by the Philippines. They have lost as much as a 10-point lead. Welcome back. 27-25. Let's try to listen in if we can. Fortunately, the host broadcaster has not put in a mic. We're so accustomed sa atin na may microphone na pumapasok dyan.
Dalawang key play set, dalawang tapo ng bola na hindi natin ma-afford dito sa game na to. Kenneth Duremdes, tentative, whether to pass, to shoot, or whatever to do with the ball. Hindi katulad kanina, he came in aggressive. But when he came back dito sa second quarter, wala yung aggressiveness niya. We need aggressiveness, most especially from our bonded scorer na si Kenneth Duremdes. 2 mistakes on a passing play cost us itong lamang na ito.
And the Koreans exploding with a 12-0 bomb. And back in the second quarter, the Philippines has been totally outscored 12-2. The only basket, courtesy of Ontiveros earlier, first connection from 3-point distance by Moon.
Anong mali natin doon sa last play na yun? Kita-kita nyo, we allowed Moon to set up for the 3-point shot. And we allowed Moon to get the pass, no? Off a pass, si Moon, talagang napaka-deadly. Nakaka-set up siya eh. Gusto niya, kung saan niya gustong pumosisyon, natatanggap niya yung bola. That's how good the Koreans are.
Cariaso is doing a fairly decent job against him, however, has to sit down because of 2 personal fouls. That is Castillo driving hard to the basket, collecting the foul, and see Lee Sang-min. That is just his first foul, and the 15th foul already of the Koreans, and that sends him into penalty. No, I'm checking that is not yet their 5th. Anyway, it will be just a baseline inbound for the Philippines. Korea's doing a good job of playing defense without committing too many fouls. Ball movement.
Kasi nung ikot ng bola na ito, okay lang mag-miss yan. Go down on defense, but we like the ball movement nung nakita natin ito sa last play na yun.
Traveling, sumayan. Sumobra, nadulas. And you're watching the Asian Games basketball competition semi-final round involving the Philippines against Korea. Winner moves into the gold medal match. By the way, good news. And you have the full story later on.
May good news tayo sa inyo. Pagkatapos ito, papapanood din nyo. Yung good news natin.
Yes, at mamaya yung tungkol sa equestrian team natin.
Nako, ang gandang bagay po niyan.
Yes.
As we hit the tail end, ano?
Ayan na! Galit ang mama!
Ang ginawa ng Team Philippines, matapos ng shaky start dito sa second quarter, they went back to their strength, which is Asi Taulaba underneath.
Taulaba, now with 4 points, he is the leading scorer of the Philippine campaign with an average of 14.8. Turn to the basket, won't work. Taulaba has a hand on it.
Well, last touch si Asi Taulaba in that play kasi siya yung nando sa inside the track of that rebound. But then, may kaluagan pa rin ang depensa natin kay Moon. Pinanonood ko si Moon as he was moving without the ball. Kailangan konti pang press, no? Binibigyan pa rin natin ng spaso si Moon to get, ayan, no? Katulad yan. Ang galing talaga, oh.
Well done. Ball won't make it. Was not really square, Gino, for that shot.
And then, bigyan mo ng credit si Ontiveros na for, again, bothering the shot from Moon.
Rebounding story, that's been the story so far. Chance for the Philippines to regain the lead here. Castillo, pass on 3. Yes!
Quezon, no? A slight hesitation move. He wanted to penetrate, but decided on a three-point shot. Lower percentage, but won't tell that to Noy Castillo.
No. Castillo with his second rainbow connection.
Excellent recovery set ng Philippines.
Correct. And the Philippines regains the lead. The shot from three-point distance. And here comes the Philippines side trying to get a lead going and a streak going.
Kailangan rap-rapay nila sa transition. May katamaran yung mga Koreano bumaba.
Totoo yan.
Again, they go to the 2-3. Bakit sila tumo 2-3? Nirerespeto nila yung penetration ng mga Pilipino.
Castillo. Shot clock at 5. Where is this play going? Castillo.
Ipatumuli.
Seconds to go.
And that will be an automatic 24-second shot clock violation. Spend too much time, no? Dribbling doon sa may ibabaw, top of the key. Walang ball movement, eh.
Call really for our game to have more ball movement. Still there.
Alisin na lang muna yung dribble. But I think we're getting there, Seth. You know,
I think that those are the lessons we have picked up here in the Asian Games. We'll be back. That's the lead of the Philippines. 30-27 is our count as you take a look at some choice cuts from the ongoing second.
This
You wanted to say earlier about the storm.
Ako gusto ko yung pinakita ng Pilipinas dito, no? Na wala yung 10-point lead. Yung mga Koreans took a 2-point lead, but we were able to weather the storm. Ibig sabihin, nakabalik tayo, we recovered our wits, and nilimit natin yung mga mistakes natin sa mga passing ni Kenneth Duremdes. Recovered in time, and was able to reestablish our post-game by anchoring it on Asitaw Laba.
Yes.
Ganda ang approach ng Pilipinas dito sa laban na ito.
In the meantime, it's 30-27. Sam Tormenta alongside Chino Trinidad, the PBL Commissioner. Chino, kailan nga kayo ulit mag-umpisa November 4?
November 4, yes, and dahil ho sa lumalago yung pamilya natin, we will now have to play 4 times a week, no? So,
Okay.
more basketball ahead of us. Pero dito, mapalikan na natin, Seb, no, kung may opportunity. I think yung Philippine basketball is in the right step, no? Yung naglalaro sa international competition, natututo tayo kung ano ang laro sa international type of play.
Koreans moving the ball well, just missing out on the shot, and Salt collects the rebound. Here's a wide good fake off the three-point shot, and it easily sinks inside.
Hindi natin nakita na kaliwete itong si Kim Seong-hyun, no? Kailangan mabasa natin yun, eh. Binaliktad yung paa niya, kaya na-throw ng off yung defender, eh.
3.6 per game. This shot, Del Defonso from close range.
Again, si Kenneth Duremdes na naka-recover. He penetrated. Pag naka-penetrate tayo, malaking bagay. Sir, nakakapag-create ang mga Pilipino. Yun ang kagalingan natin, eh.
Korean strike from three-point distance. That is not going to connect.
Again, excellent boxing out. Asitaw Laba. If he does that all game long, mahihirapan si Sio. Masisira ang diskarte ng Sio.
Here's Del Defonso. Trying to grind out the defense again. Familiar move. Del Defonso glass shot, no.
Hindi pang PPA, eh. Hindi malaki masyado itong si Kim. For his size, no? Hindi aalisan si Daniel Defonso.
Hindi nga gagalaw yung defense.
Tatayo lang.
Yes.
Despite the presence of Ontiveros, now Moon, the scorer that he is, ayaw ko muna sa 3-point shot. Alika po, poste ko rito, samahan mo ko rito.
And he has 9 points, cutting down the Philippine advantage to just 1. Again, the Philippines a lead of as much as 10, but as Gina correctly pointed out, the storm was weathered. We were back in the driver's seat, but let's see for how long.
Ito yung tendency natin magkabango. Alam mo yung sakit natin, Seb? Yung PB na sakit natin. Pag hindi nag-ooperate sa loob, nanonood yung ibang kakampi.
Exactly.
Yun yung mga habits, no? Yung mga hard habit to break. But I think, gaya na sinasabi ko, we're getting there, we're realizing our mistakes, and we just continue to play international ball of play.
I guess.
Malaki ang pag-asa ng Philippine basketball to regain, no? Yung lost ground dito.
Philippines slightly up, and the Koreans trying to regain the lead. Moon 3. Yes.
Okay. Problema natin dito, we are allowing Moon comfortable looks at the basket.
Yes, indeed. Moon beginning to wax hot.
12 points ako, hindi ako nagkakamali.
Yes. Hindi ka na nagkakamali. 12 points. Asi with a good spin. Double
Maybe the
yes,
dribble.
no, but it's traveling.
Okay na yun. Nakita mo yung pihit niya, Seb. Kapag-attract siya ng depensa. Now, it will now be up to our perimeter players na once dinap nila yung bola kay Asitaw Laba to spot up and allow Asitaw Laba a kick out.
Philippines has lost the upper hand. It's in the hands of Chu Seong-gyun. Korea's trying to play small here. Kim, 6 seconds on the shot clock now. Kim with a turn to the basket. No
Excellent
go.
defense itong si Eric Meng.
And Taulava takes down another rebound.
And look at how formidable that front line is, no? Nandiyan si Taulava and Eric Meng. Excellent combination. At maganda sa post yan.
Taulava with 7 rebounds.
Excellent use of the pick.
No, not quite.
But look at Eric Meng.
Yes, he fought for it, Chino. Recycling the offense now.
Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nila.
Here's Taulava.
Ayan, tingnan mo nga. Pag pinout niya yan, andyan ang atensyon. Ayan ang open, no?
Castillo. No, it won't go.
Okay lang, Seb. Okay lang. Because
Ilalim.
tama ang nangyayari, no? Nakakakita tayo ng open looks. At tama yung sinasabi ni Coach Jolly pa. Tingnan mo yung mga Koreans. Pag nakahawak ng bola yan sa ilalim ng Pilipino, susunod at susunod silang parang magnet.
Substitution for Philippines.
Foul on Eric Meng. Although si Eric Meng walang puntos na ginagawa, Seb, I like his hustle. I like that offensive rebound that he snatched earlier.
Just the first foul and making Joe Wichiga trying to egg on the troops here. Come on, we were ahead. Let's get our game going. Less than a minute in a fast-moving first half. Turn to the basket. Asi with good
Defense. May bibigay ang lane sa kanila.
Fall away. Yes.
Ang tindi.
And the Koreans have a 4-point lead. They don't even know it, some of them. And Chu Seung-gyun is a native of Busan, so he's a hometown boy. Final 30 seconds of this opening half. Philippines led at the end of the first quarter, 23-15. Handoff. Nakita, huli. Castillo in dire straits.
Pero gusto mo yung Noy Castillo because he penetrated. Iniintay yung shot niya from the outside. So anong ginawa niya? I-penetrate niya. Nasupalpal man siya. And this is a familiar L play that Yao Ming is so familiar with. Ano lumalapit sa bola?
Penetration. That'll work for Hatfield.
Mo, unorthodox but still able to...
The 2 points.
Yes, eto na. Bastap lang natin to. Maganda ang itsura natin as we enter the second half.
Koreans in the biggest fight they've had, but they bust out.
Sige, may penetration. Hayaan mo siya.
And it'll be down to less than a second. That'll do it for this first half. Very good first half for both sides, I must say.
Ako gusto ko yun sa Pilipinas, no, na-control nila yung rebounds. Hindi pumupukol ng tama yung mga Koreano. Yung mga Pilipino naman, ang kagandahan is we were able to recover despite losing that 10-point lead.
And that will now be just part of history. Yes, to move forward on. Thanks, Chino. We'll take a short break and return very swiftly to more of the Korea-Philippines battle. Next field goal percentage.
Oo, yan na, hindi nagkakalayo tayo. Pantay na pantay. Oh, alam mo, dyan ako magugulat. Oh. Identical ang field goals nilang binitawan. But look at the 3-point shooting. Yung Pilipinas getting the better of it, no? Ang dali nito. Buti na lang, hindi ko na kailangan si Andy Ho mag-compute, eh, oh. 4 of 10, 22 of 10. O, di 20% saka 40%. Sana ganyan na lang.
Kaya ang daling compute na. Hindi natin kailangan si Edgar Reyes na BS statistics.
Yan lang, magaling dito. Tignan mo yung rebounds, no? The Koreans out-rebounding. Pero sa mga rebounds ng Pilipino na yan, apat dyan, kung di ako nagkakamali, are offensive rebounds. Something that we will have to check. Turnovers natin, no? Marami ang 8 yan. 2 passing error ni Kenneth Durendes na kanya naman pong binawi later on. At this point, Seb, gusto nating silipin yung ating scoring. Si Moon, kahit being limited in the first quarter, still exploded for 12 points.
Tosik pa rin, ano?
Tapos, siyempre, Lee Sang-min. Yan, kailangan mga abangan natin talaga dyan, no? Halftime scoring natin dito po sa halftime ng game ng Korea at saka ng Pilipinas. And we'd like to take this opportunity. I personally would like to take the opportunity to thank so many people. Joey Concepcion of Selecta, si Mr. Cecilio Pedro of Alamoyan. Alam mo, daming nagmamahal sa basketball sa Pilipinas as we see Kenneth Durendes leading the scoring parade for the Philippines, no, with 10 points. Si Castillo, si Noy with 6. Tapos yung Tiberos yung 5 points ang crucial kanina. Going back dun sa sobrang dami na nagmamahal sa basketball sa Pilipinas. Lahat